Hello, good morning, and welcome to Trade Talks with Jitesh. Sorry for posting a little late. I had some other personal work. So, we'll be discussing how the morning panned out. Morning there was a sell-off as expected that market might gap up open, and then there was a sell-off. But market did not halt here. I was expecting somewhere consolidation to happen at this particular place, but it has crossed and gone below. So there is a very high possibility that it might even go below this particular space. So I'll be aggressive short only after crossing this space with momentum and volumes picking up, and obviously VIX should also rise. So once this is taken out, then there might be aggressive sell-off. Today there is a chance that it might be a trending day. We might see negative 1%, 1.5% on the downside. As today Tuesday is a fin Nifty expiry, so as of now I have not built any position. I'm expecting somewhere some pullback to take positions, and this is for the Nifty. And for Fin Nifty, as we can see, the trend is pretty much evident. There is a clear-cut downtrend, which is being honored again and again. There is lower highs, lower lows. So I see that further downside move is possible. Yes, but there is no momentum as today's expiry. So this is majorly skewed towards option seller. And if the momentum picks up, that would happen only after breaking 17,556. So if we see on the broader perspective, there is a very strong demand zone at this particular space. So this might the trigger might happen till here, and then there might be a pullback. So this is what it is. The trade plan is very simple. As of now, I have not taken any trade as it is in no trade zone for me. And once this area is crossed, only then I'll be taking some bearish trades. As of now, there is no trade. Let it give clear signal, and this particular area is very crucial. So let's see. If the market continues on the downside, it might even touch 17,500 on Nifty, and then there might be a sharp pullback. So let's wait for the trade and not jump into right away. This is the trade plan for Nifty for the expiry part. As you can see that this at this particular space, the options would spike up, and that would be a very good opportunity for us to have some good trades here. That is what it is for the Nifty. And for Nifty, it's better to avoid today's trade because today seems not the day for any good trade. Volatile session is already on. As we can see on yesterday's trade as well, it was going all the way up to the support, to the resistance, and again it is collapsing back to the support area, and with that too with a very sharp momentum. So market is volatile. Non-directional volatility is where maximum SLR hit. So non-directional volatility is something where every trader should have some cautious setup or trades which needs to be taken only on a specific conditions and not on any random levels. So this is where we need to protect our capital rather than taking out of the line risk in this particular market. It's better to trade less, preserve capital so that when there is a trend, we can go aggressive. So right now the trade quantity should be less as the volatility is increasing and that too on a narrow range. And when the range is expanding from narrow to broader range, that is where things are little bit chaotic. So it's better to take very less trade, quality trades with high probability, and once there is a trend, clear cut trend is there, then we can go aggressive on it. So I'm not the trend confirmation will happen only after crossing 17,300 levels, because this is a very strong supply zone. So if there is any pullback, it might come here, take a rejection, and then it might come down, and then after that, if there is any pullback or very strong rally, only after crossing 17,300 we can say that yes, the market direction, broader direction has been changed on the higher time frame, and we can see further upside till 17,400 levels and then 17,600 levels. So these two will be very crucial zones where if the market direction is changed, then this two on the short side we can see these two areas as a very strong supply zone only after crossing 17,300. So this is what the market is as of now. Right now, market is very tightly narrow in a narrow range. So the range expansion might happen anytime, as expected in the weekly review also. So let's see how the market works out in today's session. Thank you for joining Trade Talks.